if you want to charge your POCO F8 Pro, then essentially you need to use a USB cable. Unfortunately, the phone does not support wireless charging, so the only way to charge it is, of course, with the USB cable. Now, if you are wondering what you can use in addition to that, what you connect your phone to, then of course ideally you want to use a power adapter or charger. Now in the case of POCO F8 Pro, we have a USB cable that is USB-A on one side and USB-C on the other. This is my own cable, it's not exactly the same, but it has the same ends. So we have USB-A and USB-C. So when purchasing the power adapter, you might need to take a look at the port of the power adapter. If you get Xiaomi or similar power adapter, then of course most likely you will have the USB-A port, but in case you get a charger or power adapter that has USB-C port, then you will have to get a different USB cable, which is fine as well. And of course, if you don't have a power adapter yet, if you cannot connect it to the power adapter, so usually of course we plug it into the power adapter and then we connect it with the phone just like that, and then we plug the power adapter to the power socket just like that, and then we are charging. Simple as that. But if you don't have the power adapter yet, you can of course use anything else that provides power through the USB cable. So this can be a computer like a laptop or PC, this can be a power bank, or for example your car. So anything, like I said, anything that provides power, anything that can be charged by using the USB cable, of course can be used to also charge your POCO F8 Pro. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.